every season, thousands of wheels needs washing. It's a time-consuming and physically demanding effort, but a job that needs to be done.
Drester Flow is changing the way we are handling wheels.
In a fully automated system, the wheel is washed under 1 minute without any manual handling. No more lifting, no more hurt backs. The machine lifts the wheels and stacks them in a safe and efficient way. Drester Flow is built for all users. The warehouse operator, hey Benjamin, simply stacks his tires on a conveyor belt, scan the label, and the Drester Flow takes care of the rest. The in-feed, the washing, and the out-feed is done fully automatically. And in the center of the Drester Flow is a well-proven wash technology with the new Drester GT40 wheel washer. It incorporates new features as a dynamic arm, a patented special nozzle allowing you to wash with your center caps on your rim, and with a double drive allowing you to wash your wheels with the labels on. It still uses our well-proven granular technology that gives you great wash result at a very low cost. The Drester Flow can be integrated with scanning solutions, helping you collect wheel data, rim data, and provide additional revenue streams.
We offer different scanning options. We measure thread depth, detect studs and uneven wear. We photograph the rim, detect damage, and collect tire data like model, size, and brand.
The Drester Flow is a compact and space-efficient product that is designed to fit any facility. It can be placed against a wall or standing free out in an open room. The product only needs a 400-volt power output, 16 amp power rating, compressed air and water. No ventilation is needed, and installation is very simple.
Our experienced configuration team guides you step by step through the installation process, making it straightforward and hassle-free.
How can the Drester Flow wash as many as 5,000 wheels before a water change is needed? The answer is that it's equipped with the Drester Filter EQ. The Filter EQ eliminates up to 97% of the particles and removes the heavy metals from the water, thus giving you clean water that you can release out into your drain system.
Drester Flow is built from modules that are combined to fit the customer needs. We configure the conveyors to fit the number of tire stacks that you need. Straight conveyors, 90-degree turns, special unload-load modules. We start by understanding your requirements, how many tire stacks you handle, your facility layout, and your preferred conveyor flow. Then we review your space and infrastructure, including floor, drain, electricity, air, and network connection for a perfect fit.
For the owner or the manager of a tire hotel or a large tire shop, the Drester Flow is an investment in efficiency with a very short payback time. Drester Flow is not just a wheel washer. It's the future of automated wheel handling.
You want to see how a flow can transform your workflow? Contact Headson today.